welcome back to our channel. Today we're in the airport and going to go to Latvia to hopefully try skiing for the first time. Anyway, let's get into the video.
First introduction to Latvian snow. Next to the airport building. We just came out of this door and there you go. Straight into the snow. Oh no! Woohoo! No, it's not sticky. It's too cold.
How deep is the snow? You're the first one to touch the snow. Dude, what? I don't want to do it. I have to do it!
Ooh!
Bro, this is like amazing.
You see, even your gloves are not getting wet
Oh yeah.
because it's very cold. It's minus 17 here.
How? I made it up.
Yes, you did. It doesn't feel that bad actually.
Okay.
Does it feel cold?
No?
No. We probably will stay by the airport for the rest of the night because there is snow, so we're not going to go anywhere.
Yes. And I'm about to karate chop a massive ice thingy.
Давай.
Let's see if I can.
Come on, do it. Oh, careful though.
Wow, this is probably gonna hurt.
Yo!
Ow! At least I did it.
Right,
least
yeah,
I did
move
it.
it. Now it's time for the snow angel. Put the hood on, please, Andy.
I'll put my hood on fine. Okay, I'm gonna do a snow angel because I lost a game in the... Oh no, you lost the game in...
But I'm not doing it now.
Yeah, not in the airplane, okay.
Yeah.
I'm scared, this is very,
Yeah,
very...
I'm telling you, it's not the best place to do. Yeah!
This is so cold! I
Давай.
have snowshoes on, which is good. Or maybe not. Oh! This is like so deep.
Uh-huh.
Should I try?
To the
Oh,
snow
no,
angel?
my body.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh! Holy!
Woo! Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it exciting?
Yeah, but it's cold.
Yeah. It's starting to be cold. Okay.
A bit.
Okay.
Let's see if I can make a long shot. Nearly. This is so amazing. Oh. I haven't seen someone throw in like 3 years. Oh. I'm cold.
You're cold?
Yeah.
Is that enough for you?
No. I underestimated how deep this snow is. I'm literally sitting in on 12 tons of snow! I've got frostbite, I'm dead.
No!
Ah! It's like 12 tons! Like so heavy! Yeah.
Are you not cold?
No.
Good. Even dirty snow will do, yeah?
Yep.
Whatever is called snow.
If that's better. And
Woohoo!
guys, I found a icicle.
Your first icicle! Hopefully we will find more.
No, that's my second icicle I ever found.
Oh really? These
What?
looks like our decorations on our Christmas tree.
A bit, yeah. I don't want to snap it. Can I keep it?
Do you want to take it in your luggage? Okay.
Really?
No, it will melt. We are walking to the bus stop.
We're
Well,
walking to the bus
some
stop.
people are walking
Well, I'm
and some people are enjoying the
I'm
snow.
crawling, not walking.
Yes, you are.
Oh! Ah! We're walking through the pond to the bus stop.
Andy is attempting to climb local Himalayas. No, it's just a building site. Oh, how are you doing, Andy? What? What?
Yeah, I do. I'm going down on skis, by the way.
Yeah, we can see that. Well, you're going up actually now, not down.
Well, we're going up on these things, but
Yeah,
we're going down on the slope.
yeah. Well done!
That is how it's done.
So, how do you feel?
Good. Done something I've never done before, and that is skiing. So,
Yeah.
and And
You did really well.
yeah, I went from the very top of the mountain. So
Well done.
Three, two, 1, go. Why am I running so slow?
Probably you will have to use steps. I know you want to do it without steps, but
No, not using the step.
okay. Woohoo! Yeah.
It's my second time ever ice skating. Don't judge me. I've learned.
Well done. Do you like it?
Yeah,
What do you like more, skiing or what is it called? I forgot what it's called.
ice skating.
Ice skating. There you go.
Skiing.
Skiing
by
more.
far. Skiing by far.
Okay. Then
This is
carry on ice skating. What are you having?
Ice cream. Believe
Ice
it or
cream.
not. Yeah, believe it or not.
Way.
This is ice cream.
Yeah, it's called mini melts, like that. There are lots of different ice cream flavors. Something new.
And I picked bubblegum, cotton candy, and strawberry. They taste good.
Yeah? Are they cold?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you mixing them together?
Mm-mm.
No? You're eating them separately? Alright then. Mini melts. Maybe we will be able to buy something like this in the UK soon.
Hopefully.